Right, we're getting close to the end. So now that we have one page that's nearly complete, or basically complete, we are going to create a new page. So another new page, save it as whatever you want to call your second page. So I'm going to call this conclusion. Oh gosh, careful, save it as an HTML file. And be careful if you do something like that I just did. Go and remove the extra file that you have. Okay. Actually delete that. Okay, and then Control A, copy absolutely everything and paste it on the conclusion page. And now what I want you to do is on the conclusion page, change the title that's going to show in the tab. So just change it a little bit. It doesn't have to be completely different. And change the content. Just, you're not going to, I doubt you're going to use the same picture. The heading might stay the same. So it's just going to be different headings and paragraphs. Okay, let's see what that looks like. All right. Now for the bibliography, you need to put the different sources, each in their own bullet. Okay. Or numbers. Okay. Now lastly, you need hyperlinks to external good sources. Now here I think the best would be to actually make this an actual hyperlink. Okay, so this will then be the link text that comes between the anchors as well as the actual href reference. Okay, so you have now 2 links or 3, however many items in your bibliography you have that can actually go to an external website.